Hi guys, welcome to Learn Electronics Repair.
Hey nerds!
Welcome to Retro Upgrade.
So you'll see the three of us together here today, myself Richard, Detlef and Carlos, and we have some interesting news. A lot of you are already aware we're starting a new YouTube channel called The Electronics Channel. This channel is initially a live broadcast channel, and the plan is to broadcast every other week on a Sunday at 5 PM GMT until 7 PM. We may do other things later on the channel, but that's the initial plan. For those of you who know me, you'll know that I'm mainly involved in electronics repair, and Detlef and Carlos have their own skills. So Det, what's your main forte?
Yeah, I'm more into microcontrollers and the strange stuff you can do with that. So I'm more a creator here. Arduino based, but not Arduino specific. So I don't think I have one Arduino video. Well, you take a look and you see. What you?
Yeah, I usually make stuff and design, and 3D printing, laser, and also I know programming. We overlap quite a bit. I also know a bit of electronics, like you see me on Richard's channel. Of course, nothing compared to Richard, but still, I manage.
But as you see, guys, we've all got our own skills, but the one thing we all share definitely is the same crazy sense of humour. We like to talk tech, and that's what the Electronics Channel is going to be all about.
And we like to talk to you.
Yeah, you.
And we want to know what you want to see. So please leave some comments underneath.
Yeah, so for sure, let us know what you want us to talk about. Come on to the live chat on the first one. Just let us know what you want to talk about. Otherwise, we'll just talk crazy stuff ourselves, okay? The best way to find out... we have a guest here. Hello, Monday.
A cat. Okay.
A cat. Yeah.
So if you have any questions you wanted them answered from one of us, here's your big chance.
Whether the answer makes a lot of sense will all depend, but you will get an answer.
Depends on how much we drink while you're doing it.
Wait, there was alcohol included? Oh man!
Oh no! That just reminds me, guys. We've got the camera set up. We've done the live streaming test. It's all working, but I need to get a bigger fridge.
Yeah, that works fine for me.
That works good. So guys, follow the link in the description to this video to the Electronics Channel. Don't forget, the first broadcast is this Sunday, so just 3 days time. The best way to get an announcement of the video being broadcast live is to subscribe. The channel now has no content and 250 subscribers roughly?
Something.
So guys, let's see if we can get that up to 1,000 subscribers before we broadcast anything.
That would be awesome.
That would be amazing. We can all discuss what the algorithm would make of that.
Yeah, totally go
would
crazy.
Be confused,
yeah.
Probably.
Rewrite.
Exactly. So guys, that's what we wanted to let you know from Carlos, from Det, from myself. We look forward to seeing you all on Sunday.
See you guys.
Bye.
Ciao for now.